Hello, and how you tubing? Today I'm going to be making these decorative Easter eggs. If you're interested, please stay tuned. And the items that you're going to need is the adhesive diamond wrap, the plastic Easter eggs, a pair of sharp scissors, and your glue gun and glue sticks. The first thing that I'm going to do is take off a piece of tape. I'm going to put it around where it opens up at. This keeps it closed. And then I'm going to start with 4 rows of the diamond wrap. And I'm going to add a thin layer of glue. And I'm going to start right in the middle. And just wrap it around. And when I get to the end, I'm also going to add more glue. Then I'm going to take the 4 rows and go down the side like this. Just continue to add the diamond wrap all over. And then when you get to these little sections like this, then I start to use the 1 row. I'm going to switch scissors because these have adhesive and it's hard to cut with them. So you're just going to add pieces to cover in the spots that aren't covered. You just continue to do this process all over, and I'll be back when it's done. And here is the finished one. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And thanks for watching. Bye.